Hi everyone. This video is very important for those looking for how to create a reflective cover letter. So your cover letter needs to show number one, why you are interested in this job. Number two, how your clinical abilities and experiences match this job. Number three, why an employer should look into your CV. And remember to check the grammatical errors and mistakes while you're creating cover letter. Your cover letter should be compiled as a Word document. And the third thing is the text of the cover letter should be copied into the message box of the email as well. If you want your cover letter to look good, some of the important tips are you have to use a very simple font style and font type and size. It should be black. Number two is you have to use bullets to explain your abilities and skills. Number three, do not add everything from your CV into your cover letter. Number four, your cover letter should be compiled as a single word page. Number five, try to use quite friendly and reflective words like I can and I would, or I am capable to do this, or I'm competent, or I'm confident. And what else? Try to avoid poor sentences like which gives a poor meaning or suspicious meaning, like I am fairly experienced for this, something like that. And try not to use every sentence or every bullet with I. So these all are the tips for when you are creating for cover letter. Important thing is every job description needs a different cover letter. If you are applying for, let's suppose, physiotherapist, it would be a general cover letter covering your abilities, your experiences, what you have, what sound capabilities you have got to work into the team, and how you can create a difference into the community. If it is for musculoskeletal physical therapist, surely you will be covering more musculoskeletal conditions and your grip, particularly in treating and dealing with the musculoskeletal pains in patients. If it is for cardiopulmonary physiotherapy, it would be surely based on the domain. Same is for geriatric physical therapy, neuromuscular physical therapy, and most importantly, sports physical therapy. So you will surely not be copying and pasting the same cover letter everywhere, but it would vary from one job designation to other. I hope this video will help you and use your own understandings and your knowledge and your skills while you are creating your own cover letter. Do not go for copy and paste. Thank you.